Here we have a Vectrax 17 by 60 inch inverter drive gap bed engine lathe. It's 230 volt, 3-phase. It does operate, but there's some issues with it. I'm just going to open this up and show you real quick. All right, now we have the we pre-wired it and everything, and there's a Speed G7 inverter drive here. Well, as you can see right here, it got a little melted, and some of the contactors got slightly melted. It appears to operate, but in order for it to work properly, these resistors need to be hooked up. And these resistors, as you can see, there's no coils on this one. And there's a partial coil here. They are currently disconnected. And we're just going to show you that it does operate. It's electrically, it's going to need some work. Okay. Now we checked the Speed drive. It appears to operate. We have it on run and on, put it on forward here. Okay, and we'll just come around the front. My assistant is going to turn the machine on. We're going to pull that E-stop out first. That one right there. Just twist it and turn it on. Okay, as you can see, it's running through 1 through 9 there. And so if we come over here, we turn the machine on. This is usually forward, reverse. It doesn't operate. But when we push this green button in, it does operate. It not only operates in one direction. So what we did is we put it on the highest setting. We just want to show you that the screw works. We checked all the speeds. All the speeds operate in forward and reverse here. Okay, and as well as the speeds for the longitudinal feed and your cross feed. We're going to turn the cross feed on first. As you can see, that operates. Okay, and then we have your longitudinal feed. Of course, this operates manually too also. You can see it's turning. Right there. Okay. These two in. You just go into gear here. Right, so this lower feeder bar right here is making it go from left to right. Okay. And you can see none of the controls operate this because either there's damage to the inverter or all we did was a bypass on it. We checked the coolant pump. Coolant pump operates. There's a hydraulic oil pump to pump gear oil into the head, and of course the coolant pump that's located down here underneath that shroud right there. I'll show you this operates. We believe this to be a trade show model. It does have some metal shavings in here. Let's go back here. I'll show you. It's doing about 120 RPM. All right. So you can hear the hydraulic pump running. Of course, it's got a work light here that operates. It includes your instruction and parts manual and your accuracy chart, whatever that may be. And then I believe there may be some instructions for the G7 Yakusawa. Here. Of course, you can hear that pump running. You got your fans. There are also the cooling fans for in here. One intake, one discharge. I'll show you this again here. So here's your hydraulic unit for the gear oil. Also, it does have a little 6-inch piece that got damaged during shipment on the belt cover here. Strictly cosmetic. Shut the machine off. And we thank you for looking at our product. Cool.